Hey you guys, we're gonna just jump straight into this get ready with me look. This look is pretty quick. I just wanted to do like a little fun, funky kind of Valentine's date night-esque inspired look. And so I'm using the Huda Beauty, like the Mauve palette. And I'm just going in with a darker like purple shade. These shades don't have names, so I can just tell you it's like a darker purple shade in the crease area. And I'm just going in with a Morphe blending brush. By the way, guys, I am using the P.Louise eyeshadow base number 5 on my lids. And in all honesty, if you have Toast from LA Girl Pro Concealer, you can just use that. And then I'm just going in with a lighter pink shade, and I'm using that to blend out the crease area and into the brow bone area. Now with the darkest purple, I'm going in with a small, like kind of dense, buffing, fluffy brush, and I'm just packing that into the corners. I'm sorry that I'm so bad at explaining these things, guys. I'm really not a MUA, so it's like easier for you to just look at what I'm doing than for me to explain it. Like hair is more my thing instead of makeup. So with the P.Louise eyeshadow base, I'm going in and I'm using like a small little lip brush, and I'm using that to carve out my crease. Honestly, when you're carving out your crease, you can use any flat brush. I don't have any MAC flat top brush or Morphe flat top brush or even the P.Louise brush. I'm just using what's on hand. I try to make my videos as realistic as possible because, let's face it, brushes are pretty expensive. And if makeup's not really your main thing, like you're not gonna go spend like hundreds of dollars on brush sets. So I'm just trying to come to you guys with the most authentic makeup tutorials that I can possibly come to you with. I always try to match up my creases, but they usually come out like sisters, not twins. And I'm just going to pat in that base so that it doesn't get blotchy underneath our shadow. Now going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, I'm using the color Saphire on the lid. Oh my god, this Saphire color is so pretty. Like, I've been dying to give you guys this look with using this color. Like, I just never found the opportunity, and finally I found the opportunity to do so, and I'm just head over heels. Now I'm just going back in with that dark purple shade, and I'm just using that to buff out the edges, blending everything in. Now going in with my NYX glitter base. I'm just going to use that little flat lip brush again that I used to carve out my crease, and I'm just going to place that along the top line of my shadow. And using my roll-on shimmer in the color Olive, which again is from NYX, I'm just going to tap out some of that product onto the back of my hand and use that to pretty much line the top of my crease, just for a little added shimmer effect. I didn't want to use a glitter per se and have it be chunky. I just wanted to have like a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of sparkle. After all is said and done, we're going to go in with our Wet n Wild liquid liner. Again, between Wet n Wild and the NYX liquid liner, these two are like my go-tos in terms of what stays dark, jet black, and doesn't transfer when you're putting your liner on over shadow. Off camera, I put on my lashes, which are a pair of stacked lashes, and my foundation. And I'm just going to show you guys how I quickly get a highlighted look without using concealer. So I'm using the Maybeline Fit Me powder in 35 Deep. So this is a very light powder for my complexion. And all I do is pretty much bake it in the areas that I would usually put my concealer. And then just going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills contouring palette, just going ahead and lightly bronzing out my face. And I think this is really great if you're like really pressed for time and you don't have time to do the whole blending out your concealer process. Just using a lighter powder and baking it over your foundation will give you that highlighted effect. With my MAC mineralized skin finish in Deep Dark, or Deep Darkest, I think that's what it is, I'm just going ahead and dusting off the excess powder. Using my MAC Feline eye kohl, which you guys know or love, I'm going ahead and I'm just darkening my waterline. Gonna quickly highlight. You guys know I'm more of a subtle highlight kind of gal. And oh my gosh, guys, this is my favorite. I absolutely love this setting spray, and it's the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. The hair in today's video is brought to you by TINASHE Hair. They sent me 4 bundles of 28-inch and a 20-inch closure. And baby girl, let me tell you, this hair for 28 inches is insane. This is the first time I've ever done a full 28-inch wig and had it feel so full and thick, literally from root to tip. With this hair, I did go in and I bleached 2 strips in the front to give that little blonde highlight look. And I sewed in every piece of the 28-inch bundle. So there's 4 bundles in this unit. The closure is like what lace. The closure just melts into your skin like flawlessly, effortlessly. And again, this hair is completely full from root to tip. I feel like even if I used 3 bundles, it would have been full from root to tip. This hair is so luscious and thick. And this is just me quickly running my flat iron through. Like, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm so pleased with this TINASHE hair. And of course, I will leave a link for the hair in the description box down below, along with the list of the products that I did use in this video. I'm just going in with some mousse to push down the flyaways. And there you have it, guys. You have a cute little lime green Valentine's Day-esque look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Bye!